Presenting the JBL Wave 200 True Wireless Earbuds. It has add fun to your routine. It comes with quick 15 minutes of charge. It also features dual connect and the deep bass powered by the 8mm dynamic drivers. The delivery box contains one JBL Wave 200 TWS headphones, one charging case and one USB Type-C charging cable. 3 sizes of ear tips, 1 warranty, warning, W, and 1 quick start guide, safety sheet, S. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.